Have you ever wondered what we would see if we could travel at the speed of light? Let's delve into this fascinating concept. The speed of light, the universe's ultimate speed limit, is an astounding 300,000 kilometers per second in a vacuum. That's faster than anything else we know of. This speed is so immense, it's hard for us to even comprehend. Now imagine, if we could travel at this unimaginable speed, how would our perception of the world alter? Albert Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that space and time are not as constant as everyday life would suggest. Imagine you're on a spaceship cruising at near light speed. To you, everything inside the ship feels normal, but to an observer standing still outside, your clock would appear to tick slower. This is what we call time dilation. Now, let's add another twist. As you approach the speed of light, distances in the direction you're moving would seem to be squished. This is known as length contraction. So, from your perspective inside the spaceship, the stars would appear much closer together. Meanwhile, to the stationary observer, your spaceship would seem shorter. In essence, these two phenomena, time dilation and length contraction, are the universe's way of ensuring that no matter how fast you go, you can never exceed the speed of light. So, if we were to travel at the speed of light, we would essentially be frozen in time and space would appear distorted. But what would we actually see if we could travel at the speed of light? The answer might surprise you. Imagine this. You're on a light-speed journey and the universe as you know it starts to change. This is due to a phenomenon known as the Doppler effect. The Doppler effect in relation to light is the shift in frequency and wavelength of light due to the speed of the observer. In this case, you at light speed. Now this shift would cause visible light to skew out of the visible spectrum. So, the colors you're familiar with, they'd be replaced by a sea of blues, the result of a blue shift as wavelengths shorten. But it doesn't stop there. Some of the visible light would even shift into gamma rays, which are invisible to the human eye but carry a great deal of energy. So at light speed, our universe would transform into a surreal, distorted, and almost unrecognizable spectacle. To sum up our journey into the speed of light, we've delved into the intriguing concept of light speed, explored the relativity of time and space, and imagined the extraordinary sights we might encounter traveling at such a velocity. This theoretical voyage has illuminated the way we perceive our universe, revealing a reality that bends and warps in response to speed. So while we may not be boarding a light-speed spaceship anytime soon, we can at least ponder the fascinating effects such a journey would have on our perception of the universe.